Hello and welcome to Snow's Interior Restoration. We are located in the middle of the San Fernando Valley at the Van Nuys Airport. We repair cars from the exotic, like this Celine S7 from the movie Bruce Almighty, to the everyday car you'll find at your local used car dealership. To find out more about Snow's, you can go to our website at www.snowsvinyl.com, where you can find plenty of before and after pictures, videos, and more information about us. So please come check us out. Die-cast leather repair, before and after. One of the most common damages is dog ear tears. This is the before and this is the after. Perforated leather, this is the before and this is the after. Let's look at the before one more time. Here we go. This damage was done by a razor blade, vandalism. The repair compound we use is specially designed for leather. This is the after. Let's look at it again. Before and after. This is a large dog ear cut. This is the before and this is the after. Let's see it one more time. Many coatings are translucent or you can see through. This is why we apply the coating with a paintbrush first before spraying it. Once this is dry, then we'll come back with an airbrush and finish the coating. This is on a Jaguar XKE 1961 Jaguar. It's critical to have a good color match. With the proper color match, you'll never see where we have sprayed this dye. I'd like to thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, you can go to snowsvinyl.com. And thanks again.